Welcome to our guide on viewing invoice and payment history in the LexisNexis Account Center tool. First, you can directly access the LexisNexis Account Center using your user ID and password. Alternatively, while signed into the Lexis service, click More in the upper right corner and then select LexisNexis Account Center. Once logged in, select Invoice and Payment at the top of the page. Next, select Invoices. Once in Invoices, click the Download Invoice and Payment History icon to the right of the Invoice Filter drop-down. This will download an Excel file. If you have multiple billing accounts, you can choose from the drop-down menu the specific billing account to download the invoice and pay history. The downloaded Excel file contains the following columns: account number, due date, account name, currency, invoice date, total amount due, type, original item amount, item number, payment amount, payment date, item status. The administrator should be able to view the list of billing accounts and the respective invoices, should there be multiple accounts, by using the filter functionality in Excel. Thank you for using LexisNexis Account Center. Enjoy your day.